How to multi-snap on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now after logging into your account, you can see the home screen of the Snapchat application. So all you have to do is just tap on the different menu bars over here. Just tap on the arrow button option over here, and here you'll be able to see the option of multi-snap. So just tap on the multi-snap option over here. Tap on multi-snap option, and as you tap on multi-snap option, it will give you this plus icon over here. You just have to click the picture and clicking the snaps until you want it. After that, after you are done with clicking the snaps, you can just tap on edit and send, and all of these snaps will be sent together, and you just have to tap on send to and select the person that you want to send this to. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.